I don't know who need to hear this, but tonight we're gonna talk about why your mind can't rest. Because I don't know who need to hear this, but it just seemed like the harder we working, the more time we putting in to where we want to be, it's just wearing us down and wearing us out. It's not cool, and it's to the point where I mean, even me, like, don't judge me, but I'm just exhausted to the point where it's like my brain won't shut off. Like you lay in bed at night and your mind just starts running just for no damn reason. You already thinking about tomorrow, still going over what happened today. It's just non-stop thoughts and it's heavy on your chest. You just lay there and stare at the ceiling, tired but wide awake. You want to rest, but your mind won't let you rest. And if that's you right now, if you've been feeling that same weight, this one's for you because I've been there, I'm there right now, and I finally figured out what's actually going on with my brain. And once I saw it, I understood why this keeps happening. I'm still understanding, I'm still learning because I realize this is a nonstop battle and it's not about money. This isn't about success. It's not even about the grind. It's the fact that you can't rest even when you need to. It's like trying to unwind is just hell on earth. The fact that you won't like, just give yourself 5 minutes of peace, 5 minutes of silence, just so your system can settle the hell down. This is breaking a lot of people right now, and nobody's talking about it. So let's talk about it because here's what's really happening. You're not tired because you worked too much. You're tired because your nervous system has been on high alert for so damn long that it just don't know how to settle down. It's not like you overly busy, but it's just the mental load that you're taking on with the constant thinking, the constant planning, the constant worrying about what's next. It's just starting to be too much to where it seems like your body is just, I don't know. It's hard to explain, but your mind is on. Your body's exhausted. It just never seems to stop. Even when you're trying to relax, this is still going on. You still processing things, still analyzing, still trying to figure out what you missed and what's coming up. And over time, it wears you down, not just physically, but mentally. And mental exhaustion is worse, in my opinion, than physical exhaustion. I almost didn't film this tonight, but I decided to show up anyway to keep my word to myself. And I think that mental exhaustion is worse because it just, I don't know, you off a little to no sleep. And it's kind of like makes you crazy. You know what I'm saying? You finish your day, you get home, you've been thinking about relaxing all day. But once you get here, you just can't seem to do it. Within 2 minutes, you back on your phone scrolling, not because you want to be, but because sitting still for too long is just, it's uncomfortable. Because the moment you stop moving, seems like the thoughts start rushing in. So you start scrolling to distract yourself. You feel the silence. You feel silence with like to stay away from the noise. You know what I mean? Because it's like, even with everything I've been saying, like you really, 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 really want better for yourself. You trying to do something different. You checking and correcting, but it's just like, damn, man, like, do you ever take a break? Like, give me a little breathing room here. You feel what I'm saying? It's like I want to flow with the universe, not just feel like I'm always going against the grain when it comes to my mind. I know where I want to be. I know what direction I want to go in, and I can't be the only one going through this right now. You know what I'm saying? It's just like overthinking is stressful in itself. Your system has to rest. Most people think they just need to work through it. I've tried that too. But pushing harder and grinding harder, it don't make it no better. You just want to get through this season and convince yourself that things are going to get better, but it just seemed like the goalpost keeps moving, and keeps moving further away. And I've tried breathing techniques. I've tried working out. Um, I journal, I write, I come on here, I talk to y'all. But even me, I'm admitting like I hit I hit the wall too. Not just the physical wall, but the mental one where you can't think straight anymore. I made myself get on here tonight. Your mind is so scrambled, it's like decisions feel impossible and everything is weighing on you. But you trying to convince yourself that it's not. You know what I mean? Like stressing ain't gonna make it no better. I'm not feeding in like to negativity. I'm just saying I don't know if I'm making sense or if you understand what's actually happening, but it's just like your nervous system is stuck in this survival mode. Like it thinks you really in danger. You're not in danger. Everything is peaceful around you. I know we all got goals. We trying to get somewhere in life and it's not happening fast enough, but it's like, damn, getting there, man, it's beating you down getting to it. You know what I'm saying? It's like it's cool to keep your word to yourself. It's cool to follow through. It's cool to operate on that higher level. But it's just I don't think enough people admit like how exhausting it is. You feel me? I'm constantly like working on this channel. I'm working a full-time job. Um, I'm basically just like working so hard to just be the best I can be on all levels that I really understand like why people like don't change because this is like it's a lot of work and I'm gonna continue to follow through. I'm gonna continue to read The Science of Getting Rich. I'm gonna continue to do what the book tells me to do, but I just wanted to have an honest moment with you guys because you're not the only one feeling like I'm feeling right now. Like, yeah, I'm human, and I just want you to know that rather than be alone, I chose to come on here and share this with y'all. You feel me? Because at this point, like, it ain't even about money. It's like I think what people want the most is relief. People want peace. People just want to be able to breathe and be at ease and just be good. Like life really should not be this stressful. It's like stupid to me at this point. Like even fighting that is stressful. You feel me? I just want to chill and relax. You know what I mean? Kick my feet up and be at ease. But as I'm talking about this, I'm starting to feel better. So I'm like very happy that I opened up to you guys tonight and just shared this with you. You feel me? To let you know that you don't have to be on guard all the time. Don't be ashamed or have too much pride to like rest and just let your mind be at ease. I practice what I preach, so I promise you, once I get off this microphone, I will actually go lay down in bed and force myself to have a moment of silence. Because tonight, I'm actually giving myself permission to just be at peace, be at ease, rest, and know that I'm not being lazy. It's okay to just give myself some time to unwind. Yeah, I know that I want to eventually have the life that I don't have to take a vacation from, but I also need to take care of myself and be healthy enough to get there. So I promise y'all, and I give you my word, and I want you to do the same thing. Get some rest tonight. Please get some rest tonight. We've been going too hard on the Benrich mindset. Because as we rest and we get that sleep, things gonna get better. They're gonna get clearer. Our energy gonna come back rejuvenated. You feel me? We're going to come back on the level on the next episode and just do better, be better, rest better on all levels. Because as we improve and we get sharper, smarter, and create bigger and better things, we have to realize the main thing. And the main thing is we cannot do that without clarity. And we can't have clarity if we're exhausted from burnout. I'm just keeping it real with y'all tonight. You know what I mean? I've had enough of survival mode. You feel me? I'm ready to see results. I'm putting the work in. I know you putting the work in. I know we creating our own flow. But at the same time, when it comes to me on my channel, like I'm gonna always keep it solid, always keep it real. And I hope I didn't talk your ear off. But I just really want to come on here and share this with y'all. So before you go to bed, just kill all distractions, do your breathing exercises, and just tell your mind to shut the hell up. Don't fight it. Just notice it, acknowledge it, and breathe. That's it. That's tonight's work. And if you do that every night, starting tonight, we have to make it a point to let our system know it's safe to rest and come back refreshed. That's the work. Because that clarity is mandatory. If we can do this, y'all, everything gonna get better. We deserve this. We deserve to lay down for a minute. We deserve to close our eyes and just let our mind be at ease. Because trying to rush and keep up with the pace of this world, it's it's not gonna cut it. I've been going inward, even talking to God, just going inward, not looking outward for anything. But it's like, come on, man. Like, show me something. You know what I mean? Show me something. Show me some results from this work I'm putting in. You feel me? My anxiety is like crazy right now. Just show me some level of progress. Increase these numbers. You know what I mean? Because I'm going to continue to show up. I'm going to continue to read The Science of Getting Rich. I'm going to continue to step out on faith before things is even seen or noticed. Because I truly believe and know in my heart and my mind, I'm already that guy. I've been that guy. Just like y'all out there. You already the person you want to be. Don't doubt yourself. Just do me a solid rest tonight. And as always, don't forget to support the channel by either buying me a coffee, even though caffeine would have me totally sparked. I don't need it right now, but just as a form of supporting the channel, click the link to buy me a coffee or grab your copy of The Science of Getting Rich down in the description. I had to show up, get it in, and get it done, and chop it up with y'all tonight. So as always, all gas, no brakes. Lock in. Peace.